big ship sailing on the ocean.
JAHJAH Foundation presents the 2019 Summer Cruise Fundraiser. Saturday, June 8th. It's an all-inclusive summer soiree with music by Ricky Genius of Intellect Sound. Party with a purpose to benefit numerous healthcare and education projects in Jamaica. One prize includes buffet dinner and an open premium bar. The 2019 Summer Cruise Fundraiser. Saturday, June 8th. Join us on the Majesty of the Seas, departing from Pier 81, New York City, 81st and 12th Avenue, on the corner of 42nd Street and 12th Avenue. Boarding time is 5:30 p.m. Sailing time 6 p.m. Return at 10:30 p.m. Pre-sold tickets are $125 and available with Gene Powell in Brooklyn, Joanne Rose Green in Brooklyn, Rosemary Mason in the Bronx, Sunsplash Restaurant in Orange, New Jersey, Trev John Realty in Baldwin, Long Island. Parking is available at the Pier and starts at $15. Don't miss an event to party for a purpose. Get your tickets early for the 2019 Summer Cruise Fundraiser. Saturday, June 8th, an all-inclusive summer soiree. Brought to you by JAHJAH Foundation. Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.